This is the road to Nongwang. There's a lot of girls out here that are hot to trot, apparently. Not that I'm walking to Nongwang, I'm just out for some exercise. I've got to get some exercise. So, and I just noticed all these vehicles down there, and that looks rather interesting. Could be. Apparently there's some flooding around here somewhere, but I just don't know where. You've got to be careful of dogs that just jump out at you. As you can see, all the, the undergrowth. During the hot season, it all dries out, but it's a road that goes somewhere. I might start exploring a little bit more. There's something that's been happening down here. I'm not sure what it is. Go out and interact with the locals. Some signs up, I don't know what they're for. I should really walk on this side of the road. Although you think it would be safe enough on a rural road like this. What's that say? Oh, I think that's to a restaurant, possibly. 300 metres. Okay. So up that way, 300 metres, you've got a restaurant of some sort. Oh, okay. They're doing something here. We'll stop and have a look at this.